Good morning everyone, welcome back. My name is Susie and today I'm going to be talking to you about Filippo Loretti. They very kindly sent me 2 jewellery pieces to share with you all and show you how I style them, so I'm so excited. I haven't even opened them yet, so it will be a proper first impressions. First, let's talk about Filippo Loretti. They are traditionally a watch company that have just come out with a women's jewellery line, which is very exciting. And they asked me to pick 2 pieces from their collection to share with you all today. I was very excited when they contacted me to do this video because a lot of their pieces are inspired by Roman icons from the Roman Empire and the history and culture and art of Italy. And I was very excited to see a brand take inspiration from that, but in a modern context. The curated selection of pieces that we could choose from were mainly gold, and I only wear silver, so therefore I was quite limited with my choices, but I'm really happy with the ones I picked out, so I'm very excited to see what they look like compared to their images. So both of them arrived in this cardboard sleeve. It comes in this really cute little box with their name engraved in this lovely iridescent like gold foil. Very nice. Taking the lid off, we see a cute little black pouch. This is actually so sweet. Oh my god, this is actually so soft as well. This ring is the Victoria. It retails for £39 and is currently on a New Year's sale for £29. It's 925 sterling silver, dipped in rhodium for extra shine and strength. This is so stunning and I'm actually so shocked at how shiny it is. It really is so bright and bold, and I picked up both of these rings in my general ring size, which is a size L. I'm pretty sure I did choose a size L for these, but their size guide is really clear. I chose this one because a lot of my rings are out there, bright, colourful. They're a statement piece, as you have seen with my ring video, which you guys have been loving at the moment. I'm really into that childish, chunky, garish jewellery, and it's really nice to have proper pieces in your collection that are perfect for stacking, perfect for mixing up for any occasion. I love this ring and I love how it's a different take on a classic silver band ring. Through the slightly like rectangular form at the top, I think it makes a really subtle difference and it's a lot more interesting than just a classic band. The second ring also came in this cardboard sleeve, and taking this off, we have the same box, and I assume it'll be the same cute little pouch. This pouch is honestly so soft. Of course I'm going to be keeping this. So this one should be the Fortuna. Yes! This one is the Fortuna. It retails for £49 and it's currently on sale for £39. It's made from 925 sterling silver, dipped in rhodium for extra strength and shine. I have been wanting a plain signet ring for so long. I love signet rings. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, and as soon as I saw it on the site, I was like, that's it, I know I'm getting this ring. I really love it, but it's not your classic plain signet because it does have this really lovely twisted engraved detail on it, so it gives a little something without it not being too in your face, which I love. Again, it's so shiny, like I really did not expect it to be that shiny, but I love this. I think it's the perfect fit. It's not too garish on your finger. I think it looks really lovely and it's very flattering, and I'm just overall really happy with these. So Filippo Loretti pride themselves on having simple statement jewellery pieces that are great for stacking and pairing with other jewellery in your collection, and I 100% see that and agree with that now that I have a few of their pieces in my collection. These will be amazing to pair with other statement rings or by themselves, just as a really simple, effortless look. Adding jewellery to every outfit just elevates it that little bit, so if you already have a statement outfit on and you don't want to add too much on your neck or your hands, then definitely looking at their pieces are a great option. It's a really good way of adding pieces into your collection that don't break the bank but look and feel expensive as if they do. I really do love how shiny these are. I have a lot of sterling silver pieces in my collection and they're all slightly different, but these are definitely some of the shiniest. They seem like really good quality and I'm very excited to style these for you guys. I'm now going to show you how I style them for a daytime outfit and a nighttime outfit, hopefully in different ways, to show you how versatile these 2 rings are, and then I'm going to come back and talk about my overall thoughts and everything. This is how I'd probably style the rings for a more everyday, typical me, casual look. I'm wearing this top that I DIY'd. I will link the DIY video on screen. It's just got a little star on it. I have realised there's a little stain there, so I just hope you can't see that, and now I've drawn attention to it, so let's just pretend that never happened. And then I'm wearing my beloved suit trousers. I picked these up at a charity shop, and they fit amazing. They're in the men's section and they fit perfect, really nice, just loose waist. And I'm wearing this 2-piece earring and necklace set from Sarah & Beaded. And then these are my goddamn hands. So I've really paired them up in the way that I like to wear my rings. These chunky clay ones are from my clay making video. I'll link it on screen. You guys are going crazy for it at the moment, which is amazing to see. And I've been loving wearing my rings like every day. This is how I just pair them up, and I like to space them out with different silver jewellery so it just breaks up a bit, which the Filippo Loretti rings are perfect for. On this hand, because the Fortuna is chunky, I've paired it just with 2 other rings, and I think it works really well. I just really like it, and it fits perfectly on this finger for me, so yeah. And then on this one, I have done something a little bit different to what I would normally do, which is pairing the Vittoria, which is under here, underneath another ring of mine. I don't normally stack rings, but I think this Vittoria ring is perfect for that, as I can take it off. I like the hand without the other ring, but I think just adding this adds to the like crazy ring vibe that I have going on because of the chunky clay rings. And then next to it I'm pairing this evil eye one that I got from Etsy, and then this chunky clay one and one on my thumb as well to just like break it up. And I honestly love how these rings look, and I'm gonna keep these rings on for the rest of the day. Like honestly, perfect. This is how I'd style up the rings for a night occasion. So I've gone for a full leather outfit. I really love the full leather head to toe, even in the little boots as well. I think it just screams like night out vibes to me. And then for the rings, I've paired the 2 Filippo Loretti rings with just 2 other sterling silver rings, as I wanted to make it look as kind of simple as possible. And I think you can still see that I'm wearing rings, and as they're so shiny, they probably will catch in the light as well. And the way that I've paired them is on this hand with the Vittoria, the really simple one, I've paired it next to my spike ring, which is so chunky, it's so out there, it will like grab attention, and then be complemented by the simple silver ring next to it, which I think just look really, really nice together. And then on the other hand, the Fortuna I've paired next to this really chunky one that I picked up at a market in Lisbon, and I've left a finger in between because they're both quite chunky. It's nice to like have that break. I think they all work really well together, and this is the type of thing I would wear jewelry wise. And then for the earrings, I went for these silver hoops, as it just complemented the silver in the rings, and I think it just keeps it very like simple. To finish off the outfit with a jacket, I was tempted to finish it off with my PVC trench, but I thought that would be a little bit too much black. So I've gone for my patch jacket, which just gives that subtle pop. I just really like racing jackets with leather trousers. I think they can look quite nice. I don't know about how this neckline is working with it though. But yeah, that is how I would style these lovely rings in a nighttime setting. So they wanted me to be 100% honest with all of you, and I'm thankful for that, because I would never want to be dishonest, and I would never want to support a brand that I don't think is worth supporting or is aligned with my content. I was a bit sad to see that most of the pieces were gold, as I'm sure if I was a gold wearer I would have loved picking out a statement chunky necklace, and I think it's definitely worth you checking out their collection, especially if you are a gold wearer. They do gold very, very well, and they have a particular style that I know is very popular right now. I do generally love these rings though, and I think they will be perfect to keep in my collection forever and continue to style in different ways, especially paired with loads of sterling silver chunky rings for that like full silver look. I think these will be perfect for that. Packaging wise, I'm gonna be honest, I was a little, I was gonna say upset. Upset is not the right word, like I guess a bit disappointed, I guess you could say. The rings came in a classic bubble wrap jiffy envelope. No logo on it, like nothing different to any other package, and inside was just the boxes. There was no thank you card, there was no order information, there was no product information, no logo, no thank you, like anything. There was nothing. I assume that this isn't the case for all of their customers, as I bet if you actually purchase from them you will get some sort of invoice or note or logo card or something. I just found it very strange that I didn't get anything in there, especially as I've been emailing them for a while around this video, and I thought it was a bit odd that I got nothing inside. Not that I expect anything or the special treatment, not at all. I just found it bizarre that there was no information card or logo card about them. I also found these cardboard sleeves that were on the boxes kind of bizarre. I felt it was a bit unnecessary. I get it, you don't want the boxes to open in transit, but I think there are other ways to do that without knocking the packaging. I think if there was like a thank you card or a logo card or something else, I would have definitely looked past this, but because this was the first thing I saw when I opened the package, a bit like, oh, okay. I just like nice packaging and when things are made look like they really make an effort, and especially as Filippo Loretti pride themselves on being a brand that is luxury but without the price, because they cut out the middleman and look to give like authentic, true prices to their customers, not hyping their prices up unnecessarily, which is amazing, and I fully see that and I get it, and the quality is way worth the price. But we're saying that the boxes themselves are good quality, they are cute, I love the little pouches, and I think this is quite expected with jewellery for them to come in cute little pouches like this. I don't know if I'm being overly picky, as some people might just care just about the product, but I think the experience of opening something and it arriving in the mail is like just as exciting as having the product. Is like that whole experience. I do think they're a great brand to purchase from because they do free shipping, and I'm pretty sure they are based in Australia. I will check that information, put it on screen, but honestly the shipping was so quick, as well as the jewellery having a 2-year warranty as well, which is very important, and I really respect them for ensuring that, as it really puts faith in the quality of their products. Do I think the price is worth it? 100%. I would so pay £39 and £49 for these rings. I love investing in jewellery and finding new brands to support, especially when they're sterling silver and you know they're good quality and they're something that are versatile, that you're going to be able to wear for the rest of your life. And that's why I love simple stacking pieces. It's the equivalent of having like a basic white tee or a basic pair of jeans that will go with everything in your wardrobe. It's like that but for jewellery, and Filippo Loretti are really good at that. So I definitely implore you guys to go have a look at the links in my descriptions to these 2 rings and their website in general, so you can go explore their collection and see if anything stands out to you. I do recommend purchasing from them. I hope this video was a really honest and well-rounded view of their brand. I hope you enjoyed watching. Go check out the description for links to both of the rings and Filippo Loretti in general, so you can explore their collection and see all of the pieces they have on offer. Comment down below your thoughts on the rings, and I will see you in my next video.